Just a nice little afternoon stroll through the woods with the goaties on one of the nature trails. This nature trail needs a lot of work for my blindness. I trip all the time, but we're all just out doing a little stroll around the 3-acre expansion that was done. It's so cool, y'all. I try and walk a little slower for them during this because they like to stop and get something to eat and look around and check out the new stuff. Something scaring y'all? What is it? Should it be scaring me? If the goats are scared, maybe I should be scared. Y'all okay? You okay, girlies? I don't know what scared them off, y'all. Normally they follow me all the way around this walk. Go figure. Just relax, y'all. Just take it in. They're coming back. Y'all be good out there.